Yeah, there's a line of campers. All kinds. Class RVs, Class Cs, trailers, the whole kit and caboodle. What do you think, Mr. B? Mr. B's a hot dog. He said he didn't care for this much, especially those planes flying over. Yeah, I know, buddy. Yeah, loud. Well, it's a little windy today, but if you haven't been to the Yuma Hamfest, this is the RV parking. Just a huge parking lot. No services. And here they've got a covered area somewhere where they do have electrical. But I'm not there. So, I got my solar power and my generator. Hey ham friends, I'm down at the Yuma Hamfest in Yuma, Arizona, and if you ever get the chance to visit it, you'll really enjoy it. They had a lot of vendors inside the building and then a lot of people outside at the swap meet. But I found some interesting things inside the building, these portable boxes for your radios, and that'd be good for parts on the air. Ham Radio Outlet had a big presence there, as well as a few other commercial vendors. And I really enjoyed walking around. I think the best part about this Ham Fest is the parking. If you're camping there, you can camp in the big parking lot right outside of this building. And a huge building, nice weather, and lots of old boat anchors there. Saw some nice Collins equipment, Johnson equipment inside, and I'm always interested in looking at that old equipment, seeing what the prices are on them. But they had some spare tables, though I don't think it was quite full. The registration process is pretty straightforward, and if you're just visiting there for the day, I would recommend you just wait and purchase your ticket when you get to the door. But if you're going to be camping or you're going to sell stuff there, I would go online and fill out the registration form. The event itself, I think, is just $15 to get in, the admission. However, if you plan to camp or tailgate at the event or sell items, you'll need to pay additional fees on top of that. And these spots are available at first come, first serve, so I would definitely get online and sign up, and then, of course, get there early. If you're planning to take the license exam at the Yuma Hamfest, it's just a $15 testing fee. So mark your calendars for next year. It's February 27th and 28th of 2026. And again, it's at the Yuma County Fairgrounds. You won't have trouble finding it. Yeah, I think you'll have an unforgettable experience, especially if you're staying there and camping overnight. So feel free to ask any questions below. If you haven't already, click the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos.
Just a receiver. SD, oh yeah. SDR play, one of them over there, yeah.
I had a really nice time browsing the tables and saw Gordo there. Got to talk to him for a little bit. And a few other people that I've met over the years, and met some new ham friends, and out in the camping area, the parking lot. I had a good time visiting with them, and so yeah, the main points I want to emphasize are the location, beautiful area, Yuma, Arizona, at the Yuma Fairgrounds, and in February we have some nice weather down there, so you'll be able to enjoy yourself. I really enjoyed looking at a lot of the boat anchors and talking to the guys about them and how they were redone, refurbished, and new capacitors and all that to bring them into good operating condition. Those Lido mounts, I've got those in my truck and in my Hummer, and I really like those. They're good, stable mounts for radios. In addition, you'll find hats, caps, some apparel that you can buy. I see that there was jewelry there, and a lot of people selling clothing and just all around good items for ham operators. Lots of new software available down there. You can even buy computers and computer monitors if you're in need of them. I always look for those old keys. If I can find a nice old key at a good price, I'll pick it up. Lighting, you can find all kinds of lighting there for your RV or for your truck. They have grand prizes or raffles, and the raffles were really good. They have some nice prizes for it, so don't forget to drop your ticket in there for the raffle. So that's about does it, and thanks again for watching. I hope you liked the video. 73 and good DX.
We take whatever. You're the most expensive big alley key you can buy.
Oh, really? Say this key?
Yeah. It's made in Italy.
It gives you Calhoun or Carol, position of Carol.
Kind of the creme de la creme of both weeks.
I've got a golly
We do.
couple of them,
There you go.
but I don't have one like that.
Very few people do that.